Imagine typing at lightning speed with a machine that feels like magic. The IBM Selectric Typewriter, introduced in 1961, boasted a unique design with a type ball mechanism that replaced traditional type bars, allowing for faster, smoother typing. This innovative system sparked a major shift in typing technology, influencing the design of modern keyboards. Its influence is even seen today in mechanical keyboards cherished by typists and gamers alike. What's more, the Selectric became a staple in offices worldwide, showcasing the seamless blend of style and function. What's your favorite retro device that changed how you work? Hit subscribe and share your thoughts below.